This is the easiest way complete beginners with no previous experience can make $24 every 10 minutes using this free website.
Wait a minute. Did you say $24 in every 10 minutes? I mean, if I work 1 hour, I'll make 6 times $24? Dave, Nick, mate, I love your videos. I love your content. You make a lot of sense. I made so many videos based on your videos, but isn't this way over the top? Dude, you're saying beginners with no previous experience. I mean, somebody should start today, do whatever you are showing in a 6 minutes long video. Beginners with zero experience will start earning $24 every 10 minutes. Guys, I don't want to make a comment right now. I want to watch the full thing. I want to analyze the whole thing using AI. I want to use my experience of making 8 figures online. And then at the end, I will tell you whether it's true or false. And I will also tell you, no matter how much money it's actually possible to make with this system, whether there is a better way or not. So let's go.
The reason I know this works is because I will literally pay you myself. And not only that, but I've also done most of the work for you. And I know you might be thinking, right?
Wait, so you will be paying $24 every 10 minutes, but you will be doing the job for them. So let me rephrase it. You, Dave, Nick, or your team will do the job and pay the money. To do what exactly? I mean, how would someone spend that 10 minutes to earn that $24?
Yeah, Dave, but that sounds too good to be true. Well, over 100 beta testers from my community have already done this and are already making up to $500 per day. The best part is that you don't have to spend any money, so it's literally free.
That's amazing. And beta testers are already making money, so I give it thumbs up before even watching the video. But still, it's too good to be true, so I want to make sure I'm not doing anything wrong.
Works all over the world, and you can just do it whenever you need some extra cash. There's no boss to tell you when to actually go and do it. If that sounds good, subscribe, and let's begin with step number 1, which is to go over to this platform called Whop.
Okay, the first good news about Whop.com is this company got 858 4.2 ratings. That's a good sign to begin with. Well, this is how the website looks like. You can click sign up button to create your account using Gmail or X or Apple.
Whop.com and you click on discover on the left hand side, you're going to find tons of different communities and digital products that are selling in different categories and in different niches. We have everything from social media, sports betting, podcast, gaming, trading, dating, and even spirituality is here. And when you select on most money made, it's going to show you how much these communities are making on the platform. It's going to show you what is it, their ranking, and how many people join these communities, so you can kind of do the math and see how much money these people are making every single month. Now, if you don't want to build your own digital products and communities yourself from scratch, which obviously takes time and it honestly requires money and experience, you can just start off as an affiliate for one of these offers. And I've also uploaded one of my products on here, and I've bumped the commissions for those that are watching this video.
Okay, he's talking about affiliate marketing, which makes total sense. I logged into my account and I clicked on affiliates and I'm here. First thing I want to check is how to set up Whop payment. It shows almost every country. I'll choose my country and click next because I want to make sure that I'm gonna get paid, and it looks like it's going to be hard for me because it's asking for my Stripe account. Stripe is the most no payment processor when it comes to earning commissions. Now I have a Stripe account, so I'm just going to enter and click submit. It sent me a verification code. All right, so my point is it's not going to work for everyone. So I'm sorry, Nick, Whop is not hopeful for everyone. But hey, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there is more to learn and more to do. So let's see what he has to say about earning the actual commissions.
You can earn more than on other products that are available on the platform. Now, of course, you can also just go to the discovery and you can select one of these products. And if you like it, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and they will have their affiliate program.
All right, you must be wondering, if you can't earn money from Whop.com, why am I still sharing this video? It's because other affiliate platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, they all have the same principle. Besides, some of my viewers may have Stripe account, and you may be okay to earn commission through Stripe, so it will be helpful for them. But don't worry, I'll make it worth it by showing you something that doesn't need a Stripe account or a PayPal account. You can withdraw your cash to any bank account anywhere in the world.
You can see they're only paying 10% off of the sale, and you're doing all of this work. So I bumped my commissions to 50%. So you can get basically 50% commissions on every single sale. And all you got to do is just click on add to my affiliates dashboard, register for a free account, click on go to affiliate dashboard right over here, and you're earning 50% of every single sale for lifetime. So you can copy your affiliate link here. Now, I just want to show you multiple ways to get traffic and sales for completely free, beginning with a traffic source number one.
Now comes to the most important part. An affiliate do not need to create product. They don't even need a website if they don't want to use one. They don't need to sell. They don't need to ship the product to the customers. And yes, when it comes to customers, the only thing an affiliate needs to do is to send customers to the affiliate program they are promoting. That's the only thing an affiliate needs to do. That's the only job of an affiliate. Interestingly, my coaching and mentorship program students, where we do 99% of the work for them, they also make this mistake. When I ask them what is the job of an affiliate, they don't know. They say tons of different things, but they miss this one important point. So remember, whenever it is about affiliate marketing and you want to do affiliate marketing, then you are supposed to send customers and make sales to the affiliate program you're promoting, and you will only earn money when there is a sale. Don't worry guys, I'll make it easy. Keep on watching.
Which is to use this website called Medium, which is completely free, and you can post blog articles that can end up ranking really high on Google. So even if you type in my name, there's going to be tons of Medium blog articles ranking number one on.
Okay, so here is something about Medium.com. Medium.com has 99 million visitors per month. So you see these customers, there is a high chance you can get a lot of customers from Medium.com. And they have tons of US traffic and traffic from India, of course. While US traffic buy a lot, Indian traffic do not really buy much. And most of their traffic come from organic search, which means from Google or other search engines. And 27% of the traffic are direct traffic. That means 1/4 of these 99 million visitors, approximately 25 million visitors, are their own traffic. So these 25 million visitors visit Medium.com directly. Also, they do a lot of mailing. They have some social engagements, some referrals here and there. So there is a lot of traffic in Medium.com. Does Medium.com actually pay for publishing content? Yes, they pay around $10 to $98 per 1,000 views. Now here is something interesting. If you get 1,000 views, yes, you will earn $10 to $98. But it's not really easy to get 1,000 views. Now this is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and let me show you a realistic conversion of affiliate. This is the sales and commission stats of over 2,000 of my affiliates. These affiliates promoted my products, and we paid over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions. So what I'm showing you here is the real stats of real affiliates who earned money. So you can see the reality. This is the real conversion, which means these are the number of people who purchased from these affiliates out of every 100 visitors they sent to my offers. Let me explain. This affiliate sent over 23,000 visitors, and only 7 out of every 100 visitors made a purchase. This affiliate got 3% conversion. This affiliate did something totally different, and that's why his results are different. It is not beginner friendly at all. This affiliate got only 3 people out of every 100 visitors to purchase from him. And yes, they made tons of commissions, but for that, they had to send tons of visitors or traffic to the offers. Now, why am I sharing this with you? Because this is an article on Medium.com. This article got tons of engagements, tons of comments, which means tons of people read this article. Why do you think people read an article? Because it's engaging. How engaging can it be? Let me give you an example. Here are the stats from my email autoresponder or email management system. With this platform, I send emails to my email subscribers and my customers. In this campaign, we sent 13,000 emails. Only 4,000 people opened the email. And guess what? Only 64 people clicked on the link in the email. Out of 13,000 people, only 64 people clicked on the link, which is 0.48%, not even 1%. And my emails are written by professional copywriters. We do not just copy paste ChatGPT written email. If I get 64 clicks from 13,000 email receivers, what kind of clicks are you expecting from your articles on Medium.com if you don't have professional writing experience? The answer is very low. And if the conversion from those clicks are only 2% on the average, then what is your chance chance to make $24 for every 10 minutes. Okay, let's go to more details. Let's delete this conversion and check another data. It is called revenue per hop or revenue per click. Some affiliates were able to run a good campaign. They know how to convert visitors into buyers, and also they have tons of buyers into their email list. So their revenue per hop is high, like $3. But on the average, the result of over 2,000 affiliates is 0.5. I mean 55 cents revenue per click, which means affiliates earned 28 cents per click on the average. So in order to make $24 at this rate, you will need to send 86 clicks every 10 minutes. Do you think it is possible? To be honest, I think it is possible, but not for beginners with zero experience. With someone either who knows how to write attention-grabbing, click-generating content, or you hire a professional copywriter who can generate massive clicks and engagements. That is not a beginner-friendly business, my friend. Now, the other traffic method that Dave Nick has shared are legit, and we do pretty much the same thing. We use AI and we learn valuable skills and knowledge fast. Then we use that knowledge and skill and turn them into short videos. Then we upload those short videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, these platforms are in a war to get attention via short videos. So they send you tons of video views. These video viewers go through an automated sales funnel operated by AI. This sales funnel does the selling on your behalf, and when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. If you want an example, this is a legit example. We used ChatGPT to get a complete analysis of this video, and without watching the full video, we came to know what's inside in just a matter of seconds. We know the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis. We even got a short video script based on this video for us. And we even know the rating of the side hustle for ease of starting, $100 per day potential, and maintenance. And this is what we teach our beginner students in our program. And you can see the results. Rachel earned $500 commission. She lives in Australia and she has her own business. Jody is a busy mom. She has a 9-to-5 day job. She earned $500 commission. Chrislyn Joy earned $300 commission. Tash Murphy earned $500 commission. Gabrielle Stubbs is a busy mom and has a 9-to-5 day job, earned $300 commission. Usman loves to travel the world. He traveled to over 150 countries. He earned $500 commission for one sale. Daniel is a medical student from Pakistan, earned $450 commission. All these beginner students were able to earn these commissions multiple times easily because our program is 99% done for you. Well, Medium.com is not a bad thing, but we don't recommend using this kind of method that takes a lot of time to build a business. We recommend using AI, short videos, social media, and our done-for-you automated AI-operated sales funnel. If you want to learn more about it, I'll drop a link in the description for a free training. Watch that free training from this page, and if you have any question, click here and ask me on Instagram, or click here and ask me on Facebook. And if you want to know how efficient our AI softwares are, then chat with this AI chat agent. This AI chat agent will answer all your questions and will give you a correct answer. It's trained to speak just like me. Well, of course, you know that if you're not satisfied, you can always come to message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. To learn more money-making techniques, watch these videos and these videos. Like this video if this was helpful. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. This way, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. And we will see you on the next one.